Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are well. Today we will discuss about a Python library which is called request. It's so important for web scraping to use it. Here I take a variable r, then you have to write in this way request.get. Get is a method of request. There are more methods such as post. It is also a method. Update, it is also a method, but for web scraping we need this get method. It is important for us. After get method you have to write the url string. Here I have write a string seotanvirvideo.com of blog. It is my own blog. We will scrape this now. Okay, now we write a print.r. This r will be the request status, and after that we have write this r.text. This text mean it will give us the string or all the text from this url. Okay, then we have done that. We want to save this text in a html file. For this you have to write with open x.html. Any name you can give here. I used here x.html. You can give here y, z, it's your choice. Then you have to write with this with the comma w means write. W means write. That means this html file will be open and here something will be written. And the encoding system is here utf-8. You have to write this. If you do not write this, sometimes it may create error, and all the function will here acting as f, then f.write, r.text. Okay, if this website is scrapable, then it will give us a good request status, that is 200. If 200 is our output, then that website will be scraped easily. If our output is 402 or 403 or 40 anything, then something problem in our request, it cannot be scrapped easily. And if the status code is 501 or 502 or 50 anything, then then it represents that in the server something is going to be problem. For this reasons it is also not scrapable. Only 200 is scrapable. So if you find the request print this print r value is 200, then you can scrape that website easily. Okay, now run this. Before I am cleaning this, okay, I am running this now. Look this, I am running this code. Run code. Okay, there is a big things. Firstly we will find here the status code. Here is the status code. The status code will be 200. Understand? Okay, where is the there is a big answer. I am not finding the status code. Okay, I'm searching it. Maybe it will be a little bit up. Here is the status code. Look at this. For this print r, that means for this r value we find this status code 200. If it is 200, as it is 200, then after this all are the responses from r.text, and this r.text is also created in a file x.html. Look at here a file is open x.html. If I open this, if I open this, I will found that this HTML file here, this is the HTML file, this is HTML file, all the file is here. We can check it here as it worked well or not. We can go to that website SEO Tanvir BD. Okay, this is the website. This is my own website. Here we can copy this headline, then you can come here in the HTML file, you can write Control F, then here paste the title. Look at this is the title is found importance of headers in Python. That means this HTML file is saved properly. So this is our tutorial today. I think you understood it very well, how we can use this request.get. If the website is hard, just like I written here, indeed.com or www.bphotovideo.com, if you use this website, you will find the request code other than 200. It will be 403 or anything else, because that website is not so easy to scrape. Okay, I'm copying one of them, this indeed.com. I'm copying here. Now come here, I'm pasting here. Look at this, and I'm clearing my terminal. Look at this terminal is clear now. Okay, now I am running this run code. Okay, this is the code is run. Now just go to the top of this code, then we will find our status code. This is the status codes. Look at here, this print R is the status code, and it is here 403. That means this indeed.com, it is not so easy to scrape, but we can scrape this indeed.com with using another techniques. I will show it in the next video or after the next video, inshallah. No problem. For now, today, assalamu alaikum.